Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 7.3, what are page breaks? We touched briefly on page breaks. Excel automatically sets page breaks. And you can see the page breaks here on this page simply by looking at the breaks here that identify page 1, page 2, etc. So if we want to just print row 8, let's say we want to print A1 to B7. How do we do that? There's a couple different ways. We can insert page breaks here, or if we want to just print, let's say, these titles. This is an obscure way to do it, but we can do two things. We can highlight this, we can hit print area, set print area, file, print, and we've identified what we want to print using that technique. We can also go back. If you don't want that format, you can go to print area. Let's clear that print area. Let's look at this configuration. Let's go to print titles. You can go to print area. You can highlight this. You can take a print preview, and it does the same thing. Go back to print titles. Be sure to clear this print area. Clear, hit OK. And now if you want to put in page breaks, all we need to do, remember, always go one line below. So go row 8, highlight row 8, go to page breaks, insert page break, go to column C, insert break, go to print, file, print, and we've accomplished the same thing. If you want to move further, let's say now all you want to print is, let's say the first 15 rows, that's the data. Just go to row, whatever your cutoff row is. You know the column break is already set. So all we need is a row break. Hit breaks, insert break, and you can insert as many breaks as you want. Print, and you're going to see the first page, but now go down to number 2. That's page 2. And page 3 is the full page. You've stretched this out to 70 pages. And you're asking why 70 pages? Because the page break reorients everything. So be careful. If you hit print, and I do this all the time, we get busy and we hit print. Our intent was just to print just page 1 or page 2, and we accidentally hit print. It's going to print all 70 pages. And the only way to stop that quickly is to shut off your printer and go down and clear your print settings. And in order to do that, go down to the bottom of your toolbar, hit this up arrow, and if you have an active print session going on, you're going to have a print icon down here. Just right click and then clear everything. And maybe you've stopped the print at page 15 or 20. Otherwise, you're going to get 70 pages of garbage and waste. So be careful when you print. Always take a look at your preview and see how many possible pages are printable.
Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.